In the enchanting world of wetlands and ponds, a silent predator rules the skies, the dragonfly. With its iridescent wings and agile flight, it becomes a masterful hunter, preying on unsuspecting mosquitoes, flies, and even its own kind. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of dragonflies, capturing their swift and calculated moves as they catch and devour their prey, contributing significantly to the natural balance of their ecosystem. Watch closely as this agile hunter seizes the moment, snatching mosquitoes from the air with lightning speed. But their menu doesn't stop at mosquitoes. They strike with accuracy, ensuring their meal doesn't escape. Yet, the dragonfly's world isn't without its own dangers. They face threats from other dragonflies, engaging in fierce aerial battles over territory and mating rights. Witness the raw power and aggression as these creatures defend their space. Survival in this realm demands not only hunting skills but also the ability to defend against rivals and predators, showcasing the intricate balance of nature. Their graceful flight, keen eyesight, and voracious appetite remind us of the wonders of the natural world, where every creature, no matter how small, plays a significant part in the intricate web of life.